Hi, Mrs. Shagru. Looks like we're doing some Christmas shopping today.
We sure are, Mrs. Sexton.
So it looks like you had $50, and then you bought a stuffed animal for each of your 3 kids. When you got home, you had $23 left. How much was each stuffed animal? I'm kind of stuck on this one. Help me.
Well, shouldn't we find out how much I spent?
Sure, you spent, well, I don't know how much you spent. I know that you had $50.
Mm-hmm. And you know that I had $23 left.
I know that you, there you are, had $50 before you went to the store.
Mm-hmm.
And then you went shopping. And then you came back to your house. When you got back to your house, you only had $23. Oh.
Yep. So, to figure out how much I spent, you could take the amount that I started with and take away what I had left to figure out how much I spent.
Oh, okay. So I can do $50 minus $23.
Yep.
All right, I can do that. So I have 4 10s, 10 ones. 10 minus 3 is 7, and 4 10s minus 2 10s is 2 10s. Mrs. Shagru, my answer is 27. Each stuffed animal was $27, right?
No, because if each stuffed animal was $27, that would mean I spent more than what I started with. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you spent $27. So now you're at the store, and I know that the amount of money that you spent at the store was $27. And with that, you got 3 stuffed animals.
I did.
Okay, what do we do?
Well, there were 3 animals. I'm taking my $27 and I'm splitting it into 3 small.
Oh, you're splitting it into 3 smaller groups. So
Yep.
that's division. When I
Yes.
split a whole into 3 equal parts, that's division, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to do $27 divided by 3 stuffed animals. Each stuffed animal was, I'm not very good at division, Mrs. Shagru. How do I do 27 divided by 3?
You could make 3 equal groups if you wanted to and count it out, or you could do my favorite thing and skip count by 3s until you hit 27.
Oh, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I have 9 fingers up. I counted by 3 9 times before I got to 27.
Yep.
So 27 divided by 3 is 9. So that means that each stuffed animal cost $9.
Yes.
Awesome. So I write every word problem I have to write my answer in a sentence. So each stuffed animal was $9.
Beautiful work.
Thanks. All right, scholars, now I'm going shopping, and I have $134. With my $134, I bought a book for each of my 9 nieces and nephews. I had $89 left when I got home, so your job is to find out how much each book cost.
All right. Happy mathing.
Happy mathing, and happy Christmas shopping. See you tomorrow.
Bye.